Hey, welcome everybody to Twisted Pines. We had plans this weekend to come up here and finish box blading up here where the house is going to go. But as you can see, we've had a lot of rain. It's too wet up here. If I tried box blading up here now, I'd just rut up everything with the tractor and be moving a lot of mud around. So what we're going to do today is a little treat. We're going to go down to the pond and we're going to clean up around the pond so we can do some fishing down there. We've done a little fishing, we've caught some fish, but you can't cast a rod or do anything because there's so many limbs and things up and around the pond that it makes it impossible to really enjoy fishing because you get snagged in tree limbs every time you turn around. So we're gonna go down to the pond and do some work down there since it's too wet up here. Hopefully it won't be too wet down there to do anything with the tractor. Hopefully we can still do a little work this weekend. We'll see. Let's go. Hey, we're out here at the pond. Yeah, we got some peacocks and birds on the other side over there. So you can see there's a lot of things to be cleaned up here. We fished down around in here, it's not too bad, but over on the other side there's a lot of overhanging trees and just trash trees that have been cut and mulched and fallen down in there. We need to get them cleaned up. We're gonna bring the tractor around, use the grapple to grab and clean up, get everything cleaned up, or we can do some fishing. Follow over here, I'll show you something. Right over here, camera lady, come this way. Right in here, you can back up a little bit. Sorry, it's my camera lady's first day on the job, so she's learning. So right in here there's a foxhole, a little fox den. There's 2 or 3 holes around here. We got some cameras up, capture pictures of them. We're not hunting foxes on the Twisted Pine Ranch, so we're not at war with the foxes. We wouldn't kill them. But you might also see in some of these trees there's some hog rubs. We do have quite a bit of hog rub and a hog problem around here at Twisted Pines. Everybody in Texas does. It is fair game on hogs though. They tear up everything. You can see right here, this is where a hog is rutted, tore up right here. It's all over the place. On the other side of the pond, it's tore up real bad. We have to shoot them and try to keep them pushed off. But some of the smaller ones are good eating, make bacon out of them. But there's so many of them, and they have so many young all the time, so fast you can't kill them fast enough to keep them from tearing stuff up. And they've been known here at home, they've actually hurt children. They'll kill small dogs, and they've killed some older people too. So we have to keep the herd population down. I know some people don't want us killing any animals, but the hogs, we have to kill them pretty regularly or they'll overrun the whole place. Can't even go out on your own property without fear of a mama hog with a baby hogs trying to kill you just because you're close to where her baby hogs are. But right here, these little fox, they ain't hurting nobody. They kill rodents, mice, squirrels, anything they can catch, and they're pretty to look at. They don't hurt too much of anything. So we're gonna do some work around the pond. We'll get some video of that using the John Deere 3025E and the grapple. So keep watching.
Endless Scattered all around, fields that once were green and fruitful, now lie fallow, cold and brown. Like the springtime when the redbud was in bloom. Now all I see are fields of winter from my chill and sunless room. Clouds above and rolling thunder, ragged trees against the sky, and all the wild birds flying homeward. Goodbye, love, goodbye. May your life be sweet and simple in that land you choose to roam, where the sunshine never falters and a man can find a home.
see, we've cleaned up quite a bit. The 3025E and the grapple will, you can come in here and clean up quite a bit in here, but the limbs in between the trees, and there's some that just breaks off at the bottom. It doesn't pull out of the ground. So I'll come back with a clearing saw now. It's a big old steel clearing saw with a vest. You just big saw blade on the bottom. It doesn't have the little twine on it. It's got a big metal blade, and you just come through and nip them off at the bottom walking through here, get it cleaned up even more, and then I'll be able to come through here with the tractor and a brush hog, clean it up, and then maybe with the zero turn come in here and really make it look pretty, finish cleaning out some of this. So now you have an idea how the tractor does it with the grapple. You just kind of pull it, rake it back, and then push it back that way and pull it back, and then grab it, big old chunks, and pull it out. So camera lady's first day on the job. So
I zoomed in.
there you go. Hey, from Twisted Pine, y'all stay safe out there.